What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Gala Games. Continues to follow our wave count. Currently sitting at 0.028, down almost 10% on the day. Seeing a market cap of 200 million. 24-hour volume 214 million. So as we can see, we're starting to see that continuation down. So what we're looking for is to come down in a 5-wave move to 0.025. So what it's going to look like. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come down to 0.025 and potentially end this pullback. It got rejected from our wave 4 pullback zone. And it looks like we're seeing continuation as we've been predicting on the channel. This is our pullback zone in between 0.021 and 0.031 for this wave 2 before seeing a juicy explosion in a wave 3. If we were to come down to, we already came down to the golden ratio. If we come down to 0.025, and that's where we bottomed out, not promised, but as an example, I'll give you a wave 3 target. So take your trend base through extension from the bottom of the 1 to the top. Take it down to 0.025. Woo! Wave 3 target, 24 cents. Extremely juicy. I do think if Bitcoin bounces off 25K and starts to see continuation up, we'll never see Gala Games at this price ever again in our lifetimes. So from 0.025, if you're loading the bags for your hodl position all the way up to 24 cents is a gain of almost basically 900%, which is extremely succulent in my opinion. That's a 9x. So that's nothing to sleep on, guys. And Gala is easily going to go to at least $2 to $3 in my opinion, potentially much higher, $5 and onwards. We've seen it before with Sandbox Mana. If you look at Sandbox in the previous bear market, it was at 3 cents less, and it went to $8. And there's a lot more interest in Gala, in my opinion, than there was in Sand. There's a lot more people interested in crypto, and especially when we start to get going in the bull market and everyone starts foaming in, it's going to rocket. Will blow your socks off. All right, guys. So that's basically it. This is not the right chart that I wanted to look at. As you can see, we're sitting in our zone. There's not too much to update here on the daily chart. Everything's looking good. We saw that little bounce. So if we do break lower, potentially we could start to see bullish divergences on the RSI and the money flow on the daily, which is a strong signal of reversal. All right, gang, we're in a Bitcoin short. Got in at 29.2K, making juicy profits. Gave a signal in the Discord. You can have a 30-day free trial if you sign up to either Bitget or Bybit. Make your first deposit. You get a 30-day free trial. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon link. Same price as a Netflix subscription, Big Mac meal, which destroys your health. And the Discord is more worth it, in my opinion. Crypto news, member profits. Make your first deposit, 30-day free trial, or $10 a month. Also, over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You really can't beat it. All links in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you'd like to. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.